quick, and then we're going into the charts. So technical indicator points to Bitcoin price bounce. The impending bearish moving average crossover on the weekly chart has proven to be a contrary indicator in the past. So once we do the bearish crossover, well, I'll read to you what we're seeing. A lesser track technical analysis indicator signaling good times ahead for Bitcoin. The cryptocurrency 10-week simple moving average SMA is about to dip below the 50-week SMA, confirming a so-called bearish crossover. Historically, the negative signal has proven to be a contrary indicator, making interim price bottoms in the end of bear markets, as feature image shows. So it's got to drop to do this, but if it does drop down, the previous bearish cross dated mid-March 2020 occurred after Bitcoin's current introduced crash to 4,000. Bitcoin picked up in the subsequent months, setting record highs above 20,000 by December. Similarly, Bitcoin bottomed out and rebounded at least 25% following the confirmation of the negative crossover in January 2020 and mid-June 2018. Moving averages are based on backward-looking data, thus on weekly and monthly charts, bearish and bullish crossovers can be taken to represent oversold or overbought conditions and the potential for price bounce and bull market corrections. That said, technical studies are unreliable as standalone indicators, and seasoned traders prefer to read chart-based signals with money flow and fundamentals, which are currently signaling a low probability of a significant price bounce. Bitcoin suffered a deeper drop following the confirmation of the first bear cross between 10 and 50-week moving averages seen in September 2014. So I just wanted to put that out there. Thought that was fascinating. So now let's get through the chart so you guys can see what's going on. Right now, ADA is the only one that's really bounced. ADA was suffering some hard drops, and there was a really good buy down there around $1.05. Wish I would have seen it when it actually hit the bottom. ADA is trying to bounce on this uptrending. It's in the symmetrical. It looks like to me it came down and reconfirmed. So you could have a nice move here. We talked about this from $1.36 roughly. But sorry, I just woke up a little while ago. It bounced on the uptrending support. And now we're looking at $1.35 support, $1.38 support, $1.44 resistance on algo. As long as we hold $1.38, that could be a nice swing trade. Bitcoin's come down 491 points. It's down to 46,500. Bitcoin's got to make up its mind now, because if it comes down any farther, we could have a big issue. See, we came down to 42,292 already. You can only take so many times, though, up at the top around 44.5 without breaking it. That's what we were talking about. Now, can we have a bull pennant here? We could. In the 30-minute time frame, we're using that 42,499. We're trying to use it as a support. We did come through it twice, but we did pull back. We're well below the 200-day and 30-minute, which is at 42,956. So I'd say we're squeezed between 42,499 and 42,956 with Bitcoin. We fall down, we have 41,979. And there's not much in between that and 40,575, and then that bottom at 39,590. So we're going to see how this reacts, but this is either one overextended right shoulder or it's a inverted left arm, or waiting to come up to one more level. So it's going to be a very interesting Monday, because there's a lot of potential here both ways.